Have you ever wished your smartphone could film like a Hollywood camera? What if I told you that a tiny gadget small enough to fit in your pocket can shoot stunning 8K video, track you automatically, and even replace an entire camera setup? Well, that's exactly what Insta360 is trying to do with their newest creation, the Insta360 Luna Ultra. And trust me, some of its features sound almost impossible. At first glance, Luna Ultra looks like a premium compact camera, but hidden inside this tiny device is technology that could completely change the way content creators film videos. Let's start with one of its most impressive features. The camera uses a massive 1-inch sensor. Now that might not sound exciting, but in the camera world, sensor size is everything. A bigger sensor means better image quality, better colors, more detail, and dramatically better performance when the lights go down. Now, watch this. Most pocket cameras struggle when you zoom in. The image quickly becomes blurry and unusable. But Luna Ultra includes an advanced zoom system capable of bringing distant subjects much closer while maintaining impressive detail. But here's where things get crazy. The Luna Ultra can record in stunning 8K resolution, not 4K, not 5K, actual 8K. That means incredible sharpness and enough detail to crop your footage later without sacrificing quality. For creators, that's a game changer. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear this. The screen can actually detach from the camera. Yes, detach completely. That means you can place the camera in one location and control it from somewhere else. No more running back and forth. No more guessing if you're inside the frame. No more wasted recordings. For solo creators, this feature alone could save hours every week. But Insta360 didn't stop there. The camera also uses intelligent AI tracking. Once it locks onto a subject, it can automatically follow movement and keep that subject centered in the frame. It's almost like having a professional camera operator following you everywhere, except this one fits in your pocket. And if you're constantly moving while filming, you'll love this next feature. The Luna Ultra includes a true mechanical 3-axis gimbal. That means smooth footage, stable footage, professional-looking footage, even while walking, running, or shooting action scenes. Think about that for a second. Just a few years ago, achieving this level of stabilization required expensive equipment and bulky setups. Now it fits in the palm of your hand. But the technology inside this device goes even further. Advanced AI processors help improve image quality in real time. They assist with tracking, optimize low light performance, and help deliver cleaner footage in challenging situations. The result? A camera that feels incredibly smart, almost futuristic. And speaking of futuristic, the photo capabilities are equally impressive. The Luna Ultra can capture highly detailed images and massive panoramic shots that look like they came from much larger professional cameras. But now, I want to hear from you. Would you use the Insta360 Luna Ultra for your videos, or would you stick with your current camera setup? Let me know in the comments below.